Dry disconnect devices have never really been dry. A few drops here and there have been a way of life. Until now. Introducing DryLink, the first and only dry disconnect coupling device with a drip-free design. DryLink's patented design minimizes product loss during bulk transfer operations, providing an environmentally safe operation that saves you time and money. This innovative new technology gives you and your employees a safer and cleaner environment in your bulk transfer area. Let's take a closer look at how the DryLink coupling assembly works. The assembly consists of a coupler and an adapter. When locked together, they form a secure hose connection. Up to 50% lighter than other dry disconnects, DryLink incorporates a swivel end on the coupler to ease handling and prevent hose twisting. But DryLink is more than a hose connector. It's also a secondary flow shutoff device. This cutaway shows the two identical disc halves coming together to act as a single disc. Both the coupler and adapter have a disc half that is supported by its own independent shaft. When the units are joined and locked, the handle on the coupler turns both discs as a single unit. A mechanical interlock prevents the disc from opening unless the connection is completed and locked by pushing the locking bar into position. Turn the handle 90 degrees and the disc is in the full open position. Unlike DryLink, with its quarter-turn disc position indicator, competitive dry disconnects offer no clear indication whether there is flow in the line. This can lead to accidental openings when fluid is flowing, resulting in substantial product loss and cleanup. The DryLink assembly cannot be disassembled until flow in the line is completely shut off. Using innovative sealing technology, none of the flow gets in between the disc faces. When the fluid transfer is complete, the DryLink discs again split into two identical yet separate halves. For the first time ever, there's a dry disconnect that does live up to its name, DryLink. If flow is important to you, we've got more good news. DryLink has the lowest pressure drop and the best flow of any dry disconnect on the market today. The shutoff disc design improves flow and greatly reduces interference in the flow path. What's more, viscous fluids are less likely to cause gunk-ups, which increase maintenance costs and downtime. This chart quantifies the flow difference you can expect with the DryLink assembly. Now we'd like to demonstrate the difference DryLink products can make. Here are two 30-gallon tanks filled with colored water. On the right side is a competitive dry disconnect. On the left, DryLink. Let's open both units to allow flow. As you can see, flow through the DryLink product is substantially better than the competitive model. Let's stop the flow and disconnect each unit. You'll notice that the usual product loss occurs when disconnecting the competitive unit. Next, we'll disconnect the DryLink assembly. As you can see in this demonstration, no product drips onto the floor. This innovative new technology will provide you and your employees with a safer and cleaner environment in your bulk transfer area. Among the many advantages DryLink offers: minimal flow obstruction for better flow, a mechanical safety interlock to prevent accidental separation and product loss, up to 50% lighter than other dry disconnects, a standard swivel end on the coupler half eases alignment and prevents hose twisting, all wetted parts are type 316 stainless steel, and a drip-free design for clean product transfer. Tomorrow's technology is here today. Ask for